Let's show here. Everyone in. Now wait a minute. Come here. I should sit on the gate, you know? There you. And the blue team, we have Luke Swinewalker. Give me a second here.
See the dog
They're being real pig-headed. I can't get them in this. All right. In my orange team, we have Ham Solo. In the green team, we have the evil Pork Vader. And finally, in the pink team, we have Obi-Wan Baloney.
Here we go again.
All right.
I had the camera issues.
Now, are you ready, guys? Go. You just had enough practice to be able to run. There we go.
He's not doing that.
And winners, pink team. Thank you.
Yeah, my guy decided.